recording. And you said you said you were doing. Okay. Well, I don't think it will affect my recording. Hopefully. I think. Actually, it might. Who cares? I thought you were doing Warhammer anyway.
I am.
Okay, Jimmy, you gotta fucking focus up, mate. Alright? Remember, you need to heal people with more than just chain heal. Jamie is sitting in silence.
Why are you playing Jamie?
I shouldn't have bubbled. I should have just. I quit. Jimmy, can we just drop it to a? Can we drop it to a +9 and go again?
Do I bully Jamie so?
Well, no, it's because he was making a lot of sound, and for my epic YouTube video, we couldn't have that. Blizzard are gonna watch all these YouTube videos, so they have to be like professional, don't they? I'll heal myself, Jimmy, don't worry. Holy moly, where'd my HP go? Jimmy, please. The fact that I can keep up with people that are like 20 item levels above me is actually pretty impressive though, huh, Jimmy? Oh.
Run. Interrupt.
Emily, you're gonna have to talk for Jamie. You'll have to do the Jamie responses.
He's gone now, so...
Wow. Welcome back to the epic YouTube video, Jimmy.
Thanks.
What's it like knowing you're part of World of Warcraft history one day?
What do you mean?
Because one day people will look back at this video and be like, wow, this was the guy that made Blizzard add Paladin gnomes. What a inspiration to us all.
They can create the biggest bomb in the world.
Yeah, as long as I get a heal. Oh, it's bursting, isn't it? That's probably why I keep taking loads of damage. Like, what kind of gear is the... I mean, what weapon does he have? He has the legendary and he's barely out DPSing me. Ooh. That's a bit embarrassing for him. Ooh,
The
Arms
warrior?
Warrior? Yeah. He's a much higher item level and has the legendary and he's barely out DPSing me.
How do you feel good?
No, it makes me feel bad for him. That's just embarrassing. Oh, it's a +10, he's just pulling with the ads, mate.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
Watch your step.
Our warrior's dead.
Attack totem.
Was that a strategic death by the warrior?
Maybe. Maybe he decided not to move from whatever it caused him to die for a reason.
Nah, he wanted to give me wings, mate. Strategic death.
That's actually really smart.
So Jamie's not to heal.
Attack totem.
Imagine if Jamie was already like almost doing. That'd be funny. I've bubbled, by the way, Jamie, just I don't know.
You don't have mana bars on your own, right?
No. And the boss is almost dead, actually, so this is actually going to be fine. I majorly like...
I think I'm doing alright with mana, because when I started off the fight,
Watch your
mana.
Oh, the warrior almost died again.
Attack totem.
I have no more defensives left, Jimmy. I will miss you.
Wow, I'll miss you more.
By the way, do mobs in boss fights trigger bursting?
I think so.
No.
Watch your step.
Depends if it's supposed to be there.
Good shit, lads. Good fucking shit, Jimmy. Oh, we need to go back now, don't we?
Yeah.
Do you like my transmog game? I actually kind of like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not even a full set before you fucking run your mouth, Jimmy.
Well, I just said sexy.
Well, that's gay for one, so don't. All my cooldowns are like out of whack, and out of sync.
Shockwave.
I swear you're supposed to sit on this guy, right?
Great Valley. Charging. Move.
Jimmy, move! You gotta die. Wow. Whoa.
Shockwave.
Don't reset. Nah, reset. Man.
Charging. Move.
Jimmy, you should reset a boss.
Shockwave.
Reckon I should.
Yeah.
Would that be really funny?
Yeah.
Are your subs demanding to reset?
Yeah. Seeing as you are the sub. Ooh, sub basic, mate. Why am I like up here while everyone else is down there? You got an AoE, mate. How'd the warrior out DPS me at the end? Wait, Emily. The legendary does almost 9% of the warrior's damage.
Yeah.
Well, the legendary is like stupid damage, kind of.
Why don't I get this legendary?
It's got a chance to put a dot on the enemy, plus it's got a use effect, which does a bit of damage.
Why don't I get this legendary?
You spent a few months making a claim that doesn't matter.
Great Valley.
Well, no, but you're. Imagine unholy DK with it. So you're saying you'd be doing even more damage, and that's just not okay. Trans girl Falcon just logged on to Batnet. Oh shit! I mean, what? Jimmy, you shouldn't call her that. That's really offensive. I'm surprised this is going so well, by the way.
Who drinks it?
Well, the only one that will ruin it is you, mate, let's be honest. Not because you're bad, but just because you can't really mess up as DPS. We can already clearly do the DPS, so there's no reason for us not to be able to do it for the rest of the dungeon. Now imagine if we time it. I think Blizzard would like give us IRL statues in the headquarters.
Maybe they'll give you names.
Ooh. Remember I died to this boss last time, so let's try and not do that again, mate.
Knocking back. Red Pala. Knocking back.
I shouldn't have bubbled that.
Special coming.
I'm just scared, honestly. I'm scared that Jimmy's gonna let me die, so...
I don't think mean to make you sad.
Why would Jamie let you down?
Knocking back.
It's common occurrence on this boss.
Red Pala.
So you're not just using your defenses before?
Maybe.
Knocking back.
Oh my god.
Special
I
coming.
think I must have dropped to like 0 point something HP there. Because I swear my percentage dropped to 0.
That the dot tick, then you got knocked back, and it does give disgusting amount of damage.
Red Pala.
I think I can...
Knocking back.
I'm gonna die again. Oh, maybe not. Wait, how come I sometimes get knocked back and sometimes don't?
Special coming.
I honestly don't know.
Imagine if we knew the tactics, mate. That'd be kind of sick, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Knocking back. Red Pala.
I put blessing on myself to hope. Did I get rid of the dot? Yeah. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Gamer.
Knocking back.
I shouldn't have.
Special coming.
Someone's done it, please. Oh.
Move to circle. Knocking back. Red Pala.
Someone's done it.
Knocking back.
I managed to fucking fire blood just in time. I just got the dot, and before it ticked, I managed to cleanse it.
Control.
I've already unleashed on these mobs. Oh, these are the ones that are gonna kill us because the...
Crowd control. Crowd control.
Okay, the monk though? Kinda...
Red Pala.
Jimmy, no. Jimmy, no! Not your fault. Yeah, not your fault.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's not your fault, alright, that was... Oh. Why did you let us die? You should blame the monk. He almost did 1 million DPS that pull. The monk is only 550 and he's crushing both me and the warrior.
In flight.
Are they gonna nerf monks next expansion, please?
Crowd control.
What was that? I'm bubbling, Jamie. Good luck to you.
Crowd control.
Are you also hearing these whispers? Or am I going literally crazy?
Are you going crazy?
Because I just heard someone say I'm already bored. And then I heard whispers.
Literally 2 packs and the bolstering gets so fucking high.
It's not bolstering, mate, it's bursting.
Or whatever it is.
Watch your step.
Wait, why did I hear "oh just die"?
Crowd control. AOE incoming.
Oh, it's because someone's like changed into the cool man, mate.
Are you not a cool man?
Watch your step.
No. Well, am I the only one even attempting to line of sight the slam?
So,
How do you like bursting, mate?
right.
My DPS might go down a little bit now, by the way, because I'm going to try and help out by healing myself more, just because I know that my HP is lower than everyone else's.
I'm gonna go toilet and then go a shot.
Wow. We won't be here for Mana JB's epic mythic plus destroying.
I might need to go to Tesco's. Anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna go. I like it.
Shouldn't you go Tesco first? Love you.
I can't need the toilet a bit too desperately.
Wow. Can you not age restrict my YouTube video, please?
I go to toilet, I love you.
I love you. Okay, Jimmy, next pumping. Do you need mana?
I mean, I could drink.
Protocol.
Whoop, never mind. Fuck your mana and your life. Oh my lord. Oh, I didn't use.
Spread.
So I don't want to be that guy.
Laser unused.
I was rezzing the warrior. I'm so sorry. We don't have another one for 3 minutes. Jimmy, you can watch the video, mate.
It's fine, I'm probably gonna do it anyway because I've got no mana.
Should you out the tank? I mean, the warrior technically does more DPS than me anyway, so it's technically a worth trade, mate. I believe in you, Jamie.
Enemy marked.
You winning?
I hope so.
Enemy marked.
Laser on you. Run.
Undesirable elements.
Oh, the laser's not on me though, is it, game? I'm dead.
Oh, just die.
Drag bat res me in 45 seconds, mate. Ba-ba-ba-ba. I can stop sharing my screen.
You won't change the screen anyway.
No, Emily like complained at me when I stopped.
Oh.
See, you don't even need me, mate. Wait, is damage done overall like makes me look shit now? Nah.
Look at all this stuff. The heroes. You can keep searching for whatever it
Jamie,
is
I want you
you
to know the
found.
only reason I am now below the warrior is
We're calling
because
dibs on this room. Safe travels all.
I gave my life for the betterment of the team, mate. Alright?
Yeah. The Muck's doing some crazy damage though.
Crowd control.
Yeah, I think he's cheating. I might have to report him. I don't know.
Control. Control. Crowd control.
Seems our tank has decided our AoE pulling days are over.
Crowd control.
There's not really anywhere to hide from this clap, so... Oh, okay, I'm not using it. I can bubble this next one if you want me to.
That should be alright.
Alright. You should be able to jump at the last second. Why are we baby pulling? But if you ever don't want to deal with this affix, you can invite a priest, because they can just mass dispel it. I can res Jamie if you want mana.
Thank you. This affix is stressful.
Even more so when I'm the only one trying to line of sight the thing. I'm sorry about our selfish team, Jimmy.
I'll definitely not fight. Not even standing with you.
Maybe it's because you're a dwarf, mate.
Maybe.
It's dwarf seeking.
What have we here? Alexstras's lapdogs, I suspect. I fear I will have to deny your queen her prize. The disc you seek will be mine.
Great run.
Oh, that's a kill.
Don't worry, even when we have no healer, they still don't line of sight the clap. They must just not know about it. Or they don't care.
We both.
Ret Pala.
Oh man, I've got bolstering and the fucking stolen time debuff here.
It's not bolstering me, as I've previously explained to you, it's actually bursting. The only thing they should give shamans chain dispel. Pretty cool, wouldn't it?
This
Yeah.
disc may hold the secret to the aspects regaining their power, and we cannot allow that to happen.
I mean, we should do it in time as long as we don't wipe on the boss. Jinx, jinx.
Now the disc is lost to time, just as you are about to be.
Ba 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 ba.
2, 1.
Interrupt.
Oh my god, the damage.
Oh my god, I'm gonna make myself look like a fool. Please, Jimmy. Please. Never mind, I'm a giga shit. If you need mana, you should tell him now. Wait, where are
I'm
you?
making myself look like a fool today.
Where are you?
Trying to get up. Fuck's sake.
You not swear on my YouTube video, please.
In all
Range 5. Knocking back. Range 5. Knocking back.
Oh no. God, I'll try and heal myself loads. Yeah.
Knocking back. Range 5. Knocking back.
Jamie, I'll just heal myself every knockback, okay? So just focus on them.
can you feel your fate closing in? 3, 2, 1.
Ret Pala.
You will be lost in time.
Knocking back.
I have my defenses for this one. And I still have bubble if needed.
Range 5.
Lost in the sands. 3, 2, 1.
Knocking back.
Lost in the sands.
Knocking back.
Bubbling this one. I've done my rotation so wrong this fight as well. But it's fine, we gotta do it. Hey, good job, Jimmy.
Wow.
Oh, I got the... You get the teleport for a +10 this season, and not a
Yeah.
+20.
Timelines are converging. There will be only one aspect.
I love 53 gold.
Shall be
Well, yeah, because +10s and +20s are season, aren't they?
Oh, does he need those wrists? Please tell me he does not need those wrists, Jimmy. He doesn't need them. Yes, he gave them to me. Go, Jimmy, go. Man, I just ninja'd them. See ya. Thanks again, guys. Good video, Jimmy.